Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I want to tell you how to start forex trading as a beginner. I just want to walk you through all the things you need to know before you start trading forex fully as a beginner. Now, if this is your first time in this channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that little bell button down there so that you will not miss any of my new video uploads. I would like you to know this very important fact about trading forex. Forex is not a get rich quick scheme. It's not a fast money scheme. It's not something you just start immediately and start making millions all of a sudden. Contrary to what you are being told online in various social media platforms, you're jumping into forex and start making money immediately. That's a big lie. It's something that you have to really give in your time and efforts. It's something you have to invest a lot of resources into before you start making it big. So the first thing I would like you to do is get very nice educative materials. Get the right resources so that you get informed about everything forex is all about. I did a video last week about how to invest in forex trading. If you want to invest, if you want to look at it, I'll drop the video link in the description down below so that you watch it. The best place I would recommend you get very nice articles and ebooks about forex trading is babypips.com. I've talked about them so many places in my account in Quora, and I talked about them in my last video about forex trading. It's because I've used them and I found their materials very useful. They are very good in breaking down and explaining everything forex is all about. They have good writers that will explain everything for you in layman terms, the way you understand them perfectly. Other places that you can get very nice materials about forex trading is broker sites. They have their education section in all their sites and their YouTube channel. So go over there and lay your hands on those resources and really educate yourself on what forex is all about so that you understand it very well before you start trading. Number 2 is choosing a suitable broker. Brokers are the middlemen between you and the central banks of all the currencies you'll be trading in forex. They are the ones that will provide a platform with which you will use to trade those foreign currencies to make profit. It's very important that you make very good research about brokers so that you know which broker is best suited for you. The best broker for you depends on your location and preferences, the kind of trader you will be, because there are so many brokers out there with different advantages and disadvantages. So you do very good due diligence on that. Go online and read so many reviews about any broker that you feel that is attractive to you. Know more about them, know what other people have to say about them before you jump in and start doing business with them. Another thing you need to be careful about is people's review. Some people drop very ugly reviews about brokers, not because the brokers are bad, but then it's because they probably made mistakes in their trading, or they didn't properly implement their trading styles and get into losses, and at the end they start blaming the brokers for it. Just know how to screen those reviews and those comments so that you'll be able to choose the right broker for you. The third thing I would advise you do immediately for you to start trading forex is open a demo account. A demo account is a special kind of account brokers give out to their customers where they can load in fake money and use it, either learning how to trade in forex or learning a new skill. Just for practice sake, I would advise, while you are reading articles, reading ebooks about forex trading, quickly open a demo account and start learning everything there. It helps to expose you more about what forex is, not just what someone is writing in the book. The only difference between the demo account and the real account is the money in the demo account is fake, it's not real. But then they will help you to understand what it's like to trade with a real account. Now, the fourth thing you should do is choosing a trading strategy. You can't actually trade in the market without having a strategy in mind. How you are going to know when to enter the market or place a trade, and how you are going to know that it's time to leave a trade. The criteria that you will need before you enter a trade. There are so many strategies out there. There are so many books about forex strategies, how to use certain indicators. So you do a little bit of research in all those things and choose a strategy that best suits your type of trading, your risk tolerance and everything. This also where a demo account helps more. So with a demo account, you'll be able to test a certain strategy and know if it works very well for you without losing any real money. When you must have chosen a strategy and perfected it with a demo account, now this is the time for you to open a real account, because there's a little bit difference between a demo and a real account. They're not that the same because of the emotions. When you are trading with a real money, you know you are losing money for every mistake that you make, which is not the same for a demo account where you can afford to make mistakes, and after all, it's not your real money that's going. When you must have perfected a strategy that you adopted and all that, then it's time for you to open a real account and get out there and know what it's like to truly trade forex and make real money. Expect to lose money. Everybody loses money in forex trading, so expect to lose. The most important thing is that at the long run, after 1 week, after 1 month, you're having a net profit. That's what's most important, not your gain or your loss per trade. That's something very, very important in trading that every trader has to know. Something much more important than having a trading strategy, which is risk management. You can never be successful as a trader without having a very good, robust risk management system. You need to know so many things surrounding the volume of currencies you trade and the amount of loss you can afford to have per single trade. Your risk management is very, very important to your success as a forex trader. Another thing you need to do for yourself for you to excel very well as a forex trader is to develop a healthy trading psychology. Trust me, it's really going to hit you hard once you start trading real money. Losing money, putting trade, doing all the analysis and entering a trade, and markets goes way out of it. And know the appropriate way to react when things doesn't seem to work out the way you've planned them. Understand yourself and know how to manage difficult situations. So this is it. These are the tips you need for you to start trading forex as a beginner. You have to keep on improving and reading and growing. That's how you stay at the top. In forex trading, your trading strategy is your king. That's what guides you. That's what tells you what to do once you enter the market. While risk management is your guardian. That's what protects you from chaos in the market. These two important aspects of trading is what you should really look into and make sure you perfect them around you. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload any new video. See you in my next video.